an ordinance for first reading. So I will just turn over it to my counterpart, Mary Sophie Dinis Quautor.
Councilor Quator, you have the floor. Madam Chairman, I am respectfully filing this proposed ordinance entitled An Ordinance Amending Ordinance Number 78, Series of 1977. This measure is filed in view of reports showing that our current traffic management, particularly on lane changing, has caused confusion among commuters, drivers, and enforcers. An incident along Benigno Aquino Avenue in Mandaluyao revealed how unclear lane markings and inconsistent enforcement lead to disputes and unnecessary traffic penalties. While national policy allows lane changing when safe, the lack of clear local rules has led to varying interpretation, inconvenience, and distrust. This proposed ordinance seeks to clearly define and regulate lane changing practices in Iloilo City to ensure uniform enforcement, fairness, and road safety. By amending Ordinance Number 78, it will set local standards for lane changes and traffic markings, impose fair and consistent penalties, and align city regulations with national traffic laws. This is not to punish drivers, but to protect them, to restore order, discipline, and trust on our roads. Madam Chair, I move to pass the proposed ordinance on first reading and refer it to the proper committee for study, report, and recommendation. So move, Madam Chair. It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, this motion is carried. Councilor Cabaluna, you have the floor.
Madam Chair, this is just a manifestation, Madam Chair. In 2023, this council also passed an ordinance adopting standards and prescribing guidelines for installation and maintenance of road and commercial signs in the city of Iloilo and for other purposes, Madam Chair. No? This is a 2023 ordinance. I'd like to manifest this because it's possible that the proponent's proposal might be better inclined towards this ordinance, no? The 2023 ordinance on the standards for roads. So 2 years ago, Madam Chair. Anyway, we will welcome this on the committee level. It's possible that we will reconcile it there, it being whether it's an amendment to this ordinance or an amendment to the later ordinance, which is on standard road signs and markings, Madam Chair. So that's just a manifestation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Thank you.
Actually, this is just a refiling of the previous ordinance which we filed ng gintulugan sa 11th Council. It was not the 11th Council was not able to pass because of lack of time. But the committee hearing was already conducted. Knowledge also Councilor Cabaluna. Galing gintulugan niya to at the time, so nag-relapse na lang. Actually, that is what happened during the 11th Council. So I just refiled it, if you can still recall, Councilor Cabaluna.
Do you want to
I hope you
answer,
can still
Councilor
recall
Cabaluna?
what you did during the last Council.
Madam Chair.
You have the floor, Councilor Cabaluna.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Again, that's why we will welcome this on the committee level. If I recall, that particular proposal was in reference to the situation in Tabucan. And that's why we, during the committee hearing, it was thoroughly discussed that there will be actions taken towards that particular intersection or junction, Madam Chair. And it was resolved. We also manifested to the good councillor the things that we needed to see in the proposed ordinance, that it should encompass every intersection if necessary, and not just Tabucan, so that it will be institutionalized as an ordinance. But anyway, Madam Chair, rest assured that if we sleep with good intentions, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Yeah, Madam Chair.
Councilor Durong, you may answer.
In fact, I passed this because at that time it was very controversial. No? It became viral. One of the drivers was apprehended by the traffic enforcer It was even questioned. And that is why I filed specifically that proposed ordinance. Wala man nila pasar, no? But despite the lapse of time, until now, wala man nila aksyonan. So that's why I was able to, it encouraged me to file again. Kaya I know, wala gito nila yung aksyonan. And it happened several times already. If you can still recall, I also filed a resolution about the PUB modernization. Months have lapsed. We are required only to do it in a month. Di wala man gitulugan pagyapon sa Committee on Transportation. So I am just refiling it again for the same reason. I experienced it personally. I was apprehended there, I questioned, because there was no basis for the apprehension. Then last week, while I was driving along Molo, you know that Molo is a one-way street from Iloilo City going to Aripalo. You can turn left, no? Going around the, what do you call that, the plaza is a one-way street. But there are instances that even when there is a red light, but you can still turn left kay one-way man ina. So that's why, that is also one reason while I am filing this. I have been waiting for that 2023. So imagine 2023 until now, wala man siyang natabo. So when will we wait? 2025 na? 2025 will end. What happened to 2023? Oh, you're telling us 2023. So what happened to that? The ordinance I filed 2024, naglapse na 12 council na tasubong. So what happened? So kahulat ako nga as Councilor Cabaluna, as chairman of the Committee on Transportation, should have lead this filing of ordinance. Kaya na-take notice yun naman na, nag-viral na to. Until now, anong natabo sa to? I expect him to pass. Kaya wala man. Wait, ma-end naman ng 2025. Shall we wait again for 2026? So that's why I'm filing it. I am submitting it. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilor Duron. So there's a pending motion, and it has their pending motion to refer.
Refer the transportation.
What's now the pleasure of the majority floor leader?
Thank you. This is only for first reading, but because of the manifestation, I just would like to explain it. Thank you again.
Thank you.
So would like to refer this to the Committee on Transportation
So I'd like to refer this to the Committee on Transportation
for proper study
for proper study report
and recommendation.
and recommendation. So moved.
It has been moved and duly seconded. Hearing no objections, the item is referred.
For item